So guys, in this video we are going to sell cosmetic designs and see how we can earn a good amount of commission from Amazon. Okay, and we are selling these products on two reputed platforms and see how much commission we can earn by selling our products on those reputed platforms. Okay, so watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how to do it. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by selling Amazon products on two reputed platforms. Guys, zero investment and you are getting paid for that. Lots and lots of students are asking me a question that, sir, please let us know that what are the two reputed platforms to do the affiliate marketing. Okay, where to grab our audience free of cost. So guys, if you have not watched my videos how I have opened an account on this Amazon.in, just check out. I have posted a video for this, how to open it. Now we have to do the affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, what do we need to do? We need to first do the affiliate marketing. So how can we do it? Okay, so how can we do it? So let me just give you some small intro, guys. Okay, so this is a Amazon affiliate page. Okay, I just gave a link in the description. So what you need to do, you just need to browse a product. Okay, search a product. So in this video I'm going to show you Indian jewelries. Okay guys, Indian jewelries which are very famous and people are actually buying it regularly. Okay, so I just post jewelry. Okay, I just type jewelry. Okay, I just type jewelry and just wait for a second and it's loading. And you can see guys, there are lots and lots of jewelries out there which you can sell, buy and earn a good amount of commission from this. Okay, so how can we do it? So just click on this get link, guys. Okay, just click on this get link and you are redirected to different page. This is your page. Okay, so this is a Indian jewelry. Okay guys, so what you need to do, just come up here and this text only and just click on this short link. Okay, and you just need to copy it. Okay, just copy it and you are good to go. One more thing I just need to tell you guys, the image that you can also download this image as well. Okay, just click on the save image and you can download it and you can post it, use it for post different products. Okay, so you can see guys, first is our marketplace, guys. Okay, so we just come up here and you can see Facebook marketplace. Just need to click on this marketplace. Okay, and just click on this leave page. Okay, so it was asking me a question that whether I want to switch on that or not. Okay, so this is my marketplace. Okay guys, so you can see guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of products and people out there are actually earning a good amount of money on this website. Okay, so how can we open our own marketplace? You can just see this, guys, create new listing. Okay, just click on this new listing and you are redirected to different page. So you can see item for sale, vehicle for sale and property for sale. So item for sale, it's an item. So just it will take some time guys to do the preview part because it is setting up our shop, so it will take some time to load. Okay, so absolutely free of cost guys, you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket because it's absolutely free and amazing, and they are actually giving you a good amount of money. Okay, because the commission on Amazon is pretty good actually. Okay, so wait for this time. So you can see guys, here what we need to do, we just need to add a photo. Okay, so this is a photograph. You can see guys, I have just save it. Okay, you can give it your photo. Okay, just give a title. So what title we can give? So this is a title guys that you can give. Wait a second, where is our product guys? Let's do the back part. Okay, just click on this jewelry. So this is our jewelry guys. Okay, so this is a jewelry. So this is our title. Okay, just copy this thing. Okay, just paste it. Okay, and okay, Okay, so just leave the bracket part. Okay guys, okay, so this is our you can say this is our title. Okay, the price, what is the price guys? 3. So copy this, okay, and just paste it. This is the price. Okay, and select the category. So what it is, whether it is women's clothing and shoes, jewelry and accessories. Okay, so just click on this jewelry and accessories, new. Okay, brand, what is a brand name? So you can see the brand name, you can see, copy this and just paste it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so if you want to give a description about it, so just click on this thing and you are redirected to this page. So this is a whole summary and description, so you can just copy this whole thing. Okay guys, you just need to copy this whole thing. Okay, just copy this thing and just paste it over here on the description part. Just paste it. Okay, so you have given each and everything about it. And what do you need to do guys? You just need to give the product tags. Okay, so it is jewelry, okay, women, that's it. Okay, you can even give the location. List, is it in stock? Yes, it is in stock. Okay, so next thing that you can do guys, what you can do, if they are going to message you, okay, 2 things they can do. They try to message you, just click on this next and you can paste it over your marketplace as well as the stores that you can do. Okay, you can even post it on these groups as well. Okay, just click on this publish and you are good to go. Say this guys. Okay, that's it, that's simple. You can see boost your listing. I don't want to because they are actually promoting my ads. You can see guys, it's actually good, pretty amazing. Okay, so that's only thing that you can do and it's active now. Okay, this is the product that I'm selling. So you can see it is in being reviewed and within few seconds guys it has been reviewed and people are actually coming for me the order. And what you need to do guys, let us suppose XYZ person is coming and what you need to share, just click on this get link. Okay, and what we need to do, just text only. Okay, just give them this Amazon link. Okay, give them this Amazon link and they will do the shopping. Okay, they will do the shopping and you can even edit it, or you can do one thing as well guys. So in the description part you can see, you can tell them that buy it in discount. Okay, you can see you just posted this link, so buy it in discount. Okay, with this link, so they are redirected to this page and can see lots and lots of things. So this is one way of doing it. Otherwise what they will do guys, they are redirected to your messenger and they are trying to say that sir please give me the link and we will do the payment. Okay, so what you can do guys, you can list it out there. Okay, this is the original list. You can give it 500 as well. Okay, if the person is actually coming up on your website, okay, they can try to shop. Okay, so if they are doing it manually, you can do one thing, you can buy it and then you can give it to that person. This is one thing that you can do. Okay, it's a good type of commission earning and you can earn it in this way. Okay, just click on this update button and you are good to go. You can see guys, now it's 500 and for discounted they are redirected to that page and they see the price 343 and they instantly do the buying. Okay, so this is a strategy guys which will give you more insight. So this is one platform where you can sell your products. Another platform is Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest. So it's a good platform guys. I have already shown you how to create a business account on this. Okay, you just need to get your business account over this. I have already shown you music production. If you have not watched this video, I just do recommend, and just give this video link on my I button so that you can also see this. So for demo purpose, I just show you how you can create a pins for selling the jewelry. Just click on this button and you need to sell a jewelry on this platform. So okay, it's too small. Okay, this image is too small and can't upload, having height and widget larger than this. Okay, so try some different jewelries, guys. So you can do one thing as well, guys. Okay, this is my jewelry. Okay, so what you can do, I just gave you a simple tip that you can take a snipping tool. Okay, and you just need to take a screenshot of it. Okay, you can do it on your mobile as well. Okay, and just need to save it. Okay, save as, and you just need to save it on desktop. Okay, so I just type J. Okay, just save it in this manner and just upload it in this. So I'll try to do it. Okay, what is name? J. Okay, let's see if it is working or not. Yes, it is working. You can see, guys. Okay, so it's a good thing, guys. Okay, so if that thing is not matter, but we have to sell it. Okay, guys, don't bog down. Everything is possible. You can take a screenshot of it and you can do the rest of the things. Okay, so glamorous jewelry. Okay, you can see a wedding jewelry. Okay, pearl necklace. Okay, so this is a good title I can grab. So Pinterest, I just need to copy it. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So paste it. Okay, so it's a good thing. Tell what you pin about it. Okay, so I can give a small description, guys. Okay, so traditional pearl. Take one paragraph, guys. Okay, just copy this thing and just paste it, or you can say that. And you just need to type here, click and get discount. Okay, click and get discount. Okay, so designation address is your link. Okay, this is your Amazon link. Okay, just copy this link and just paste it over here. Okay, just paste it, and what you need to do, guys, just need to publish it. So for publishing it, I just need to give a jewelry. Okay, so jewelry. Okay, so this is a different thing. Oh, we have to give it in this. Okay, wait a second. So project, and I need to give it here, jewelry. Okay, so just click on this create, and jewelry is create, and just click on this publish button and you are good to go, guys. Okay, you can see it. Okay, guys, so whomever wants to buy this thing, they just click on this and they are redirected to the page of your affiliation, and you are getting paid for that, guys. I just show you how much this Pinterest is having a traffic. Okay, you just stay and be calm, because this Pinterest is having $1 billion plus traffic, and people are actually doing their affiliation on this website. Okay, Pinterest. So Pinterest, I just need to type. Okay, so wait for this, and you can see, guys, Pinterest. Okay, 1 billion plus. You can see, guys, it is continuously fluctuating. Okay, so you can see 1 billion plus. So user base is good. Let us suppose, guys, from this thing you can earn $3 to $4 commission. Okay, by just selling this thing. Okay, and you can sell hundreds and hundreds of things, guys. Okay, this jewelry is one part. Okay, you can sell different ebooks as well. Okay, ebooks, I type ebooks. Okay, I type ebooks on this website, and you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of ebooks, guys. Okay, that you can sell. Okay, you just need to do the same thing as I did with jewelry. Okay, if the image is not selected, what you need to do, just take a screenshot and just upload it. Okay, so this is one way that you can do it, guys. Okay, if you like this video, guys, just need to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content and you are getting paid for good amount of money. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, happy earning.